Hello and welcome to my channel with another AI box, this time Linkifun GT8D. Let me open the box and let's have a look what we can find inside, because from the picture I will say it looks quite nice and actually much better than the old competition, but let's find out if that's true or not. First of all, the box, which is not the cheap paper box like usually in the competition. You've got the user manual. Honestly, I never use that, but sometimes it's good to look at the user manual. If you don't know something, you will find always in the user manual. Okay, so that's the box, the AI box, which is not very light, and that's good. Okay, you got on this side, more than sure, yes, that's the mini HDMI. So that's mean if you've got another monitor which you will install at the headrest of the front seat and you are traveling with the kids, you can use it. You will get the same picture at the screen at the top and on the screens at the back. Here that's the USB port C, the power socket. That's the space for your memory card and also SIM card. So let me check what we've got here. That's the cable. All cables as usual. We've got lots of cables. Okay, even special adapter. Oh, that's great. Look at that, guys. Even you don't have the special cable, I'm talking about the HDMI mini to standard one, you can use this adapter, which is quite handy. You can plug to this device, and the standard HDMI you can plug here and then to your screen other device. That's great. Of course, you've got one more with the extra USB, and that one I'm gonna plug to my car because I've got only USB standard USB socket. But if you've got USB port C, you can use this cable, so that's great. Okay, so let me plug and check the connection, because the connection is actually very important. Sometimes the connection is very weak and there is the risk that this device can be unplugged from the cable while driving. Let's have a look. Oh, that sounds great. Look at that, guys. So let's plug in this device and let's see after how many seconds this device will connect with the car system. Start. It's changing the colors, as you can see. Hopefully you can see that on the camera. We are in Android. Okay, so let's take a look at the main screen, which looks, I will say, quite simple and great. Now from this side we've got the time, also the few icons with the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and GPS. Then you've got the settings and maps, Google and CarPlay. By the way, those two or even three are always changed. It depends which application has been used before. Below you've got the 6 dots. When you click them, you will see all the application, which looks very similar to CarPlay. Okay, and everything. Look at that, guys, how smooth that's working. It's great. So we've got the settings. Everything's nice and clear. Okay, lots of option here. Lots of option. If you want something more, you can just click the more and you will see everything like in Android. Okay, like in your phone. Let's go back once again. Then CarPlay, Bluetooth on, and let's see AI box, and pair allow, and we should be connected. Always at the beginning you need to wait a little bit more, and then after you connect the phone once, then every time when you just jump to the car, the phone will connect automatically with the system if your Bluetooth is on. So wait a bit, it's almost done. hopefully. Hopefully. Okay, please connect again. That's something really wrong. Alright, finally we are in. It will take me extra few minutes. I have to connect this device actually 3 times. But now everything is fine, and as you can see, everything working also quite well. That's a standard Apple CarPlay. So you got everything what you want to have. Okay, you've got the maps, audio player. That's the home from navigation. Okay, your music, your settings. So yeah, so everything. If you want to go back to the system of this device, you have to click the car. So you will not go back to the car, you will go back to the system. And now if you want to go back to, or actually, and now if you want to go to your car, you need to find the car, and now you are in the menu of the car. Alright, so nice and easy, nice and simple. So there you've got the Chrome, Google Chrome, okay, gallery, if you've got anything on the gallery, and you've got the Play Store. So that's mean if you are missing something or you need some more application, you can just download them from the Play Store. Then the phone, if you are connected with the phone. No, you are not. Okay, why? Strange. Please open Bluetooth. No, we are on the Bluetooth. Okay, power. Alright. And now, yes, now we are with the phone. And if you want to call somebody, you can do it from the screen also. Then Google Maps. So Google Maps, let's have a look how it's working. Everything nice and smooth. Sometimes when you've got any delays, you need to know that it's not about the system, mostly it's about the speed of the internet. Okay, messages, that you know, I'm more than sure. Your contact, and then phone, a split screen. So the music, YouTube, or only YouTube. Let's go on my channel. Let's watch, for example, this one, the new one. Always watch the adverts, okay? You will support my channel. Almost full screen. Why is almost full screen? That's quite easy to explain, because most of the video is recording on 16.9. That's why it's like a square, okay? Mostly like a square, like your TV. If that video will be recording in 21:9, like in cinema, you will see exactly full screen. And let me show you something. Okay, so now we've got something like 21.9, okay, Ultra HD, and let's see, let's watch this video. As you can see now, this video is actually almost in the full screen, because it's on 21.9. Okay, so let's go back. YouTube, Spotify, system update, car, Google. I'm not sure even what is that. Okay, that's the app manager. You've got already installed those apps, but don't worry, you can update the apps from this screen also. And you've got the multicolor lights. That's about the backgrounds. Then you've got GPS, Disney, ES Files Explorer, Assistant, that's the voice assistant, Google Assistant, okay. That's the Hulu, even I don't know what's that. Okay, that's another streaming with the movies, like Netflix, okay. No, I should go here. Netflix, music, and the last page you got video from your memory card. You've got the video player, actually, that's another one. So, and as you notice, each time when I open it, different apps, the 4 last opening apps you will see exactly on that, on the side. Let's talk about the split screen, because as you can notice, I've got the one shortcut to the split screen from YouTube and Maps. Okay, as you can see, that's the map, that's the YouTube, okay. Because on some devices you can change them, whatever is on the screen, from the screen. In this one you have to do it only on that way. So that's my one screen, split screen. That's another one. If you want to make another one, you click again here, and then gallery, and let's say Disney. Okay, save at the home screen. Okay, And now we've got another one. Easy peasy. When you click that, and exactly yes, like I want. All right, so let's go back home. And I was talking about the white dot. When you click the when you click the white dot, which is here, you will see the shortcut to your car menu, to the bin, to all files, to voice communication, and one page back and home button. Okay, there is not only one screen here, you can just swap that on that way. And now this is quite similar to other AA boxes, or even some menu of the much expensive premium cars. So you've got the calendar on this place on the right side, on the middle you've got the music player, and on that side you've got your speedometer, as you notice, and GPS. That's quite interesting. Okay, that's the all apps which we has open so far. That's the split screen. Okay, if you want, that's the shortcut to the split screen. If you want to open something more, once again, that's your calendar. That's all the application again with another button. That's your settings. Okay, then you got your phone, your lights, and if you click this one, you can add another 2, or even, yeah, when you touch them, they will just remove it. You see, easy peasy, just to reinstall something. That's quite nice. But you can add only 4. Well, where they are, 1, 2, 3, 4, for example. One more, YouTube. Sick, we've got the YouTube. Easy peasy. What's happening if we do something like that? Nothing, nothing, nothing. And we can just go back to one page. Okay, now yes, we've got the airplane mode, location, Bluetooth. That's from our actually this is something like a phone. Okay, after a few minutes of use it, I can say this device is still cold. You can feel a little bit warm in this place here, but the air vents make the job, and this device is cold, so that's great. I can say this device is quite friendly to the user, because even you never use this kind of device, after first plug you can see that everything is nice and easy, very friendly. It's only one thing surprised me with this device. There's no name of the device at the box, only full Android system, few details. Android AI box is supposed to be name of the company, because if you are buying something like that, you want the name on the box, and also you want the name on this device, but there is only Android AI box. This is something different compared to the competition. But anyway, that's not important. More important stuff is how this device works, how quick this device will connect it with the system, and also if the menu is easy, or you need to spend time to reading that all manual and learn each feature separate, just to waste your time. Here, without wasting time, you can connect actually everything, and you are completely independent from the car system. So if you got any question about this device, please let me know in the comment below. Also, if you want to buy this device, I recommended to buy it. Please use my link and discount code below this video. Okay, and also at the comment below, and let me know in the comment below what you think about this AA box, if you are looking for something like that, or if you are already using something like that. As usual, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, take care of yourself and your 4 ways, and see you next time.